Today I'd like to introduce you to our Leaf People Essential Skincare Kit. This is a wonderful 3-step process, and we have these available in all of our Leaf People skincare lines. This kit includes a wash, a toner, and a cream, and these are the perfect 3 basic steps to skincare. This kit is a wonderful introduction to the Leaf People product line. It also makes a great gift for somebody else if you'd like to treat them to some lovely skincare or introduce them to a lovely and simple skincare regime that they can then build on in the future. So I love this set both for at home. It's perfect to take when you're traveling, and then it's also wonderful for a go bag if you have a bag that you take to the gym or to work or to yoga. If you have a bag that you just kind of keep with you when you need to have a refresh during the day. How you would use these kits is exactly as it's presented here. So first you would cleanse with a cleanser, then you would tone the skin, preferably with a little cotton pad, and we have extensive directions on how to tone your skin under the toner videos on the toners page or on our YouTube channel. And then you would apply your cream on top. If you're going to be going outside afterwards, always remember to apply your sunscreen as well. And you can do this routine morning and evening. If you want to boost particular nutrients on the skin or enhance some various qualities of our product line in your skin, then you can add a serum in between this toning and cream step. You can also likewise add one of our mists if you just want a juicy burst of hydration before you put the cream on. You can find these products on our Starter and Travels Kits page. It's a great introduction to Leaf People. It's also a wonderful way to try some of the different product lines. So if you're using one of our product lines and then there's another line you'd like to try, it's a wonderful way to kind of switch around lines and try different products before you buy the full retail sizes.